The best way to predict your future. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. So the best way to predict your future is to create it. And we've had many great leaders that have taught us this, including my mentor, Bob Proctor. And the way you create your future is to envision it. And there's a part of our mind that's actually the biggest part of our mind. It's called our frontal cortex and our prefrontal cortex. And this is our imagination. This is where we can imagine things. This is where we can create things. And guess what? We're all getting ready for something. We're all getting ready for more income. We're all getting ready for a better life. We're all getting ready for maybe a vacation down the road. We're all getting ready for something. So we can predict our future. We're all getting ready ultimately for something, the ultimate end. Do you know what that is? That's death. So if you are thinking about what you want, and you don't have to think about death, but you have to, if you think about what you want, focus on it with intention. You can write about it, you can dream about it, you can imagine it, you can use your mind to focus on it, and then you have the ability to manifest it. And if you haven't heard the word manifestation, manifestation means that you're bringing something that's invisible into reality. And so to create reality, you need to start in here. I mean, if you think about it, this baseball cap started off with somebody thinking probably that they needed shade from the sun. And then it led to people playing a game with a ball, or maybe not even a ball. And then it led to something else, and then something else, and then to something else. And ultimately, it was getting ready for something that we call a baseball cap. Basically, it shades my face from the sun, and we use it for a sport. So anyway, we're always getting ready for something, and the easiest way to create your future is with your imagination. And to create the life that you want is with your imagination. That is the easiest and best way to do it, except you and I have forgotten how to do it, or we haven't been taught how to do it. And that's the problem today. It's a big issue because especially kids, and I see this with kids, they're not imagining things anymore. They imagine up to a certain point, and then suddenly they're no longer doing that. Suddenly they are thinking about what they're responsible for, and they're watching videos, and they're doing all sorts of things that don't benefit them. Like playing video games might create some imagination, but it's really watching. So it's not all that beneficial. The better way to do things is to be creative. Think about things. Draw, create, be imaginative, make things up. You know, that's the kinds of things that you can do, not even just as a child, but you can do that anytime. And as long as you use your imagination, you'll create the life of your dreams. And by the way, if you haven't read my book yet, Living the Life of Your Dreams, because that's the ultimate way to live your life, is to plan it from the end backwards, I'm going to give you a copy here below. Grab it now while it's available, and then create the life of your dreams, and let me know how you liked it. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, jump over there. I have other videos just like this one, but better. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.